Some journeys are measured in miles, others are measured in moments. For the next 7 days, we're leaving behind the familiar and chasing something bigger. Towering canyons, winding mountain passes, alpine lakes, and nights beneath a sky full of stars. Our adventure begins deep in the red rock landscapes of Palo Canyon, then leads us into the rich culture and high desert beauty of Taos. From there, we climb into the rugged San Juan Mountains and the historic mining town of Silverton, before winding through the heart of Colorado to Salida, where rivers meet the Rockies. Our final destination brings us to Canyon City, where the legendary Royal Gorge reminds us just how small we are compared to the places we'll explore. 7 days, hundreds of miles, countless memories. This is our adventure. Before we explore, here's a little history about Palo Canyon, the Grand Canyon of Texas. Formed over millions of years by the prairie dog town fork of the Red River. It's the second largest canyon in the United States. For thousands of years, indigenous peoples, including the Comanche, Kiowa, and Apache, called this canyon home. In 1934, it became a Texas state park, and many of the roads and trails you see today were built by the Civilian Conservation Corps during the Great Depression. Today, it's one of Texas's most breathtaking outdoor destinations, and we're excited to explore it. What's up, YouTube? Long time no see. It has been a very busy couple months, but we have finally found some time to go on a little adventure. Today's day one of our, I would say, about 7-day camping trip we're doing. We just got to Palo, and the views are just. We are at the Triple C Trail right now. It's about 1.5 miles long, and the canyon is crazy. Never really seen anything like this. So enjoy, follow along with the adventure. Crazy drop. Nearly a century ago, during the depths of the Great Depression, young men from the Civilian Conservation Corps carved this trail into the canyon by hand. Today, the CCC Trail is more than just a hike. It's a journey through history. Every switchback and stone pathway is a reminder of the dedication and craftsmanship that helped transform Palo Canyon State Park into one of Texas's great treasures. As we climb higher, the views become even more spectacular, proving that some adventures and some legacies only get better with time. Well guys, first trail complete. Not gonna lie, coming back, kinda got a little winded. How you feeling?
Hot.
It is pretty toasty out here. Well, on to the next one. Alright guys, so we are at event number 2, the Big Cave. See what this is all about. Tell you what, it's pretty hot out here though. Currently 92 degrees. But the wind, that breeze really good out here. Hidden within the towering red cliffs of Palo Canyon is one of the park's most recognizable landmarks, the Big Cave. Carved by millions of years of erosion, this massive natural alcove offers a glimpse into the canyon's incredible geologic history. While it isn't a true cave, its enormous sandstone overhang has become a favorite destination for hikers and photographers alike. Standing beneath it, it's hard not to feel humbled by the immense scale of this landscape and the forces of nature that shaped it over countless ages. Well guys, this is the big cave. Some pretty good sights out here. Alright guys, so the next site we're going to, Cowboy Dugout. It's supposed to give us a little insight on how the Cowboys did it back in the day. Let's go check it out. Tucked into the canyon wall is a glimpse of life on the Texas frontier, the Cowboy Dugout. Built in the late 1800s, this one-room shelter was carved directly into the soft rock, providing ranch hands with a cool place to live while working the rugged canyon. Though simple, it offered protection from the harsh Texas weather and reflects the resourcefulness of the cowboys who call Palo Duro home. Standing here today, it's easy to imagine what daily life was like in one of the most remote landscapes in Texas. We're hiking the Pioneer Trail, one of the most scenic trails in Palo Duro Canyon. With towering canyon walls, colorful rock formations, and incredible overlooks, it's easy to see why this landscape has captivated visitors for generations. Every step offers a new perspective of the Grand Canyon of Texas. Pioneer Trail complete. How you feeling?
Good. It's nice out.
It's kind of tucked behind the clouds. Feels a lot better right now. The Kiowa Trail takes us deeper into the rugged beauty of Palo Duro Canyon. Named after the Kiowa people who lived and traveled through this region for generations, the trail offers a connection to the canyon's rich history. As we make our way through towering cliffs, colorful rock layers, and breathtaking scenery, we're walking through a landscape shaped by both nature and the people who called it home.
Fucking flies. Look, double knot.
Good job.
Oh my god. Want to go down there?
Okay. The trail complete. Off to the next. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're here at the Texas Outdoor Musical. We got the dinner and there's a show. So it came with some brisket, smoked sausage, slice of bread. There's just potato salad.
Potato salad, coleslaw,
Oh yeah.
banana pudding.
And banana pudding, that's the best part right there. How do you like the brisket? Whose is better?
Actually, and I'm not just saying this, Yours is better.
Is it?
It's pretty, yeah, it's good, but I love your brisket.
I feel like it's a little bit harder because they're cooking for the masses.
Yeah, I can see that.
I'm only making like 5, maybe a 10-pound at most.
I can see that.
But it's still pretty good. It's not bad.
Coleslaw is good.
It's not too bad. Not too bad.
Not too bad. Not too bad.
Well, we're gonna finish eating this food. Check back in with you guys once the show starts. See you in a minute.
As the sun began to set over Palo Canyon, the stage came alive for Texas, the park's legendary outdoor musical celebrating the history and the spirit of the Lone Star State. Set against the canyon walls, the performance was an incredible experience under the stars. Unfortunately, photography and filming were not allowed during the show, and with the storm moving in, we weren't able to capture any footage of the performance or the rest of the night. After leaving early, we made our way back to camp through the storm, only to find someone set up in what we believed was our campsite. They had mistaken it for their own. After a little confusion and friendly conversation, we got everything sorted out and settled in for the night. The next morning brought clear skies and a fresh start. We launched the drone and finally got to capture the breathtaking scale of Palo Canyon from above. Welcome to day 2. Morning, everyone. Day 2. Last night got a little rainy, but we made it. We are starting off the Lighthouse Trail. Supposedly we're gonna go see this. Don't really know. Let's get it. Our next adventure takes us to one of Palo Canyon's most iconic landmarks, the Lighthouse. The Lighthouse Trail leads us through the heart of the canyon, surrounded by towering cliffs, colorful rock formations, and endless views. After a challenging hike across the rugged terrain, we reach the base of the famous Hoodoo, a towering rock formation shaped by millions of years of erosion. The lighthouse is a reminder of the incredible forces of nature that created this unforgettable Texas landscape. Look at these tracks. Can anybody tell me what kind of tracks those are? If you know,
I think that's
probably dumb. Let me know in the comments. Alright guys, so we finally made it to the lighthouse and check out these views. There's about a 3-mile hike out here. And now we gotta go back. Wish us luck.
cool.
Did you just fucking jump off of that like you don't got old man knees?
Yes, I did. After 2 unforgettable days exploring Palo Canyon, it's time to say goodbye to the Grand Canyon of Texas. From historic trails and towering rock formations to unexpected storms, campsite surprises, and incredible views from above, this first stop reminded us that the best adventures don't always go exactly as planned. But this journey is just beginning. Next, we're heading west towards Taos, New Mexico, where new landscapes, new experiences, and more unforgettable moments await. Stay tuned for part 2 of our 7-day adventure.